So today I'm making a video for a listing that um, I'm creating a landing page para sa listing na ito. Ang listing is 7 sa may 719 or unit 718 22 East Haven Drive. Ito is located sa Scarborough sa may Birch Cliff Cliffside area. So kung familiar kayo dun sa Cliffside, along Kingston Road siya just before mag-split yung Kingston Road into Danforth and Kingston Road. Kasi yung Kingston Road, dire-diretso yan papuntang Lakeshore. Lakeshore Road East and then all the way downtown Toronto. Now, maganda yung area kasi um, um, katabi lang niya yung plaza where there is No Frills, Starbucks, Shoppers Drug Mart, if I can remember correctly. Tapos sa harap niya, meron ding coffee shops doon na yung Tim Hortons. And sa likod niya may school and and you know, commuting wise sa harap niya meron ding TTC bus stop. And if you're driving again papuntang downtown, siguro mga 20 minutes, 20 to 30 minutes. Either you go Danforth or straight all the way to Lakeshore Road East. So depende na lang kung may mga road works kasi kung may construction medyo mas traffic dyan sa Kingston Road. But it's a good area for first-time home buyers and ang listing price na is 539,900. So it's a one-bedroom, one-bath. And even for people na downsizing, right? Kasi kung yung mga magre-retire or nag-retire na, if you plan on selling your current property na medyo malaki na sa inyo, you don't wanna the hassle of maintaining it. A condo makes sense. And location-wise, again, maganda siya dahil uh, walking distance na lang siya dun sa mga kailangan natin, grocery stores, right? And then bus stop sa harapan lang. So let's start. I-paste ko lang dito yung prompt na description ng condo and kung ano yung gusto kong gawin niya sa landing page. Ilagay natin siya dyan. So you can use any AI, Claude, to create a prompt for you that you can use sa AI Studio, or you can put it directly dito sa AI Studio. And let's just I'm just gonna hit the enter button. And yan, mag-start na siya, mag-generate. Now it's asking me yung color palette na gusto ko for this specific landing page. So you can choose pagka gumawa kayo ng landing page nyo sa high level. So let's try this one here. And then yung type of font, you can also choose. Let's try this one. Next. And then yung layout, submit. So it has now built the landing page. Now, kung hindi nyo gusto yung color combination, you can always change it, right? At gusto ko lang ipakita sa inyo dito is also yung kung paano pagka may nagkaroon ng interest at they tried submitting their information, saan nyo makikita to at paano mo i-connect itong form na ito dun sa iyong CRM sa Go High Level. Now, Minsan, the AI studio itself will say, I'll connect, kung ko-connect niya na dun sa CRM mo. But since wala yung question na yun, we'll type it in. Sabihin natin, connect the form to my GHL sub account. Enter. So now nag-appear na itong connect to CRM, contacts and external form submissions will be created in the sub account and workflows can be configured through external tracking triggers. So let's say connect. So leads, it says here, CRM using the form tracking skill, standard fields, name, email, phone, message, map to CRM contact keys, and the interest drop down sends as a registered custom field. Leads, fire, and forget on submit to your tracking endpoint. Now we've published, test natin. Publish muna natin siya. Medyo malabo itong unit 71822 East Haven Drive. So we can always change that. Like I said, in the interest of time, gagawin ko na lang yan mamaya ulit. But let me just show you yung kinalabasan niya. So, testingin natin. Let's say Juan de la Cruz, Juan at gmail.com. Phone number 416-670-8598. Request a private viewing. So balik tayo dun sa tingnan natin dun sa contacts sa ating sub account. Hindi siya nag-appear. So let's do it again. So try natin ang form submission kung mag-a-appear na siya dun sa ating CRM sa high level. So let's try Jane Doe. Jane at gmail.com 416-670-8598. Request private viewing. Tapos balik tayo dun sa contacts. There you go. Nag-appear na siya. We can double check yung contact na ito kung saan natin siya galing. It says here, form was submitted. So direct traffic. Ito yung ating Haven Retreat. Ito yung landing page. Right? Haven Retreat. Vibepreview.com. Now, what I'm gonna do dito kasi is I can always change yung domain name niya kung babalik tayo dun sa AI Studio. Pagdating dito sa publish, pwede ka kasi maglagay ng add custom domain. So, I'll do that later in the interest of time kasi medyo mahaba ito. I still have to go to dun sa GoDaddy to connect it. It could be either GoDaddy, kung saan nyo binili yung domain name nyo, Namecheap, just to name a few. So there you have it. This is especially useful for mga solopreneurs, mga independent contractors and realtors, mortgage agents, insurance brokers, even kung may small business ka. I find high level to be very helpful kasi na-streamline mo na lahat. at you can use many features ba na instead of using different products like you'll hear yung mga sa aming mga realtors kasi may follow-up boss where it can be your CRM, it can send your emails. So very powerful CRM. Ito is mga tools but I find high level nandun na kasi lahat. You can start a community, you can create a webinar, you can create a course. Like, isa sa mga plans ko in the near future is to create a webinar videos for first-time home buyers. So, I'll create videos and put it there sa Go High Level. So yun yung mga susunod na projects. And keep on watching to see yung progress ko at hopefully, if you're someone who's looking into getting a CRM of your own kasi it's been mentioned, especially yung mga naging successful sa business, any small businesses, importante kasi yung may database ka ng mga contacts mo, and there's a way for you to connect with them kasi especially yung mga Facebook groups, YouTube, those are kumbaga rented platform siya. Unlike kung makuha mo yung mga emails nila, you can always keep on contact dun sa mga clients mo, prospects, right? So Go High Level also has that feature na you can create a workflow kung saan you can send emails dun sa mga leads mo. So I'll show that in another video, yung mga workflows na gagawin ko. And thank you for watching.